Namaskar, welcome to Mohua's kitchen. I'm Mohua again in front of you. Today I'm going to make a mango mousse without whipped cream. Normally mousse is made out of whipped cream, but whipped cream is not available in all the stores. So I'm going to show you with fresh cream, mango mousse with fresh cream here. For this recipe, we need mangoes. We have to take the pulp of one mango and puree it. I need some mango pieces to decorate my mousse. And keep aside. Now I need a cup of fresh cream. Remember to frozen the cream and take out the water from the cream and take the thick portion in fresh cream and beat it. Before we proceed, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, share and comment me. Now I am taking 1.5 teaspoon of gelatin, which I am going to dilute it with 1 tablespoon of water and mix it, then micro it for 30 seconds in medium heat. Now back to my cream. You can beat the cream with a hand beater or an electrical, whatever suits you, and adding powdered sugar here. I have taken a half cup, but if your mango is sweet, then you don't need half a cup because we are going to add a little bit of condensed milk too. So better check the sweetness as you prefer, and always add the sugar in batches and mix well. I have added round about 4 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar dissolves, then I'm going to add the mango puree and beat well. At this time, taste the sugar, and now I'm adding gelatin, and I'm taking the cream mixture here and diluting with the gelatin again, and I'm pouring over the cream mixture. For those who are veg, you can use, instead of gelatin, agar-agar or china grass. One more reminder, I have a Bengali channel. The link is given in the description box. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share. And now I'll heat a pan and add half a cup of mango puree to the pan with sugar to taste and half a teaspoon of mango essence. By doing this, it enhances the mango flavor into the dessert. When it thickens, switch off the gas and take it in a bowl. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of condensed milk. As my mango was sweet, so I have added here a tablespoon. If you find your mango is not that much sweet, then you can add more here. Now take a shot glass or any kind of glass you have and pour the thick mango puree to it and spread it all over the glass for decoration. And then you'll pour, and I'm going to pour the cream which we have made with mango pulp into it and decorate it with some mango pieces and rest it in the freeze for about 3 hours or overnight. After 3 hours, my mango mousse is ready. Enjoy it chilled. Decorate it with some thick mango puree and some mango. Try your ideas. Aren't they wonderful? Please do try and let me know in the comment section. And see how thick it is. Who can say that it's made out of fresh cream without any whipping cream? Try it out.